Okay, so I think we are live right now, or I don't know. I think that yes. Okay.
Like strawberries on a summer evening,
Mhm.
and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer
Resarayan 9.
feeling.
Hello.
It's so
Hello,
wonderful and warm.
how are you?
Breathe me in.
Just play bag.
Wenn du nichts hast, hast du trotzdem deine
Okay, it's
Stimme.
an ad.
Das habe ich bereits als
Put your loving
SFL
hand
underscore toxic underscore
It's
YT.
so welcome
Hello,
back.
welcome back.
Welcome back to the stream. To you guys also.
I'm
Welcome back.
begging.
Let's play the song.
I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you
SFL underscore
to
toxic
put your
underscore
loving
YT.
hand out,
Begging.
darling. Riding high when I was king, I played it hard and fast, 'cause I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me. No, anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, 'cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, 'cause I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand out, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be, the shadow all my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I
SFL
don't
underscore
know
toxic
won't
underscore
even
YT.
stand, that never
I
stands
like
to
to
be
play
my
this
soul. Why
song
we
while I'm in
chasing, why we
clutch mode in
chasing, why
game,
the
grinning
bottom,
face with
why the
smiling
basement,
eyes.
why we got good, she don't embrace it, why the feel for the need to replace me. You're the wrong way, trying to good. I went up in a feature town where we could be at, like a heart in the best way, shit. You can give it away, you have, and you tend to pay. But I keep walking on, keep opening the door, keep open for that the door is yours, keep also home. Cause I'm the one that live in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, yeah, I'm begging, begging you to put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your love in the hand now, darling. I'm fighting hard to hold my own, just can't make it all.
SFL underscore toxic underscore YT. Yet I think you too winking face.
Yes, I really like this song. So, yeah, so let's start our stream. So today I was like a few objective, which is was objects and something OJN or something. What is it called? Something. Okay. So let me share my screen. Where is me? Active. Done. Let's go. So my today's goals were to learn these things, and I already completed objects. I mean, and now I have to learn JSON. JSON, I think JSON or JSON. JSON. So I'm going to learn this thing, and after that I'm going to do this task. And if I get time, then we might be do some, what is it called? Some programming problems. I'm going to solve some programming problem, solve some problems. Okay. Okay. So, by the way, if you guys want my this what is it called, roadmap, you guys can go to my description. One second, yes. channel, go to my any live videos. And get my any live video. Just click at this, and you guys can do like here. You guys can see this is my like roadmap. This roadmap I'm following, and you guys can get my every week. Like every week, I'm going to change my roadmap. So yeah, let's start a Steam run.
SFL underscore toxic underscore YT. Bro yesong ka bta do yrr.
One like I was asking for me to stop the song background noise like this song or like song name is Backend. I just search like auto generated by YouTube and it's giving I heard things auto generated from this playlist. The most viewed song auto generated by YouTube. Like it's just not going to give you any copyright claim or strike. I think that's it. Yeah, I was short of learn JSO. I think JSO. Let's search in YouTube also. JSO. Let's search what JSO. Java. JSON. JSON in JavaScript. Okay, it's hot. Oh, what is a full set? JSON, JavaScript, JSON. Okay, here we go. There's a little thing. Okay, JSON. What is JSON, by the way? JSON. What is the full from JavaScript Object Notation? Shall JavaScript notation. JavaScript notation is a lightweight data format for storing and accessing data. It's a value using the software and a line. Acha, okay. This is work like the bridge between line server and server. Between the service and client. Acha. Server and server. Okay, let's see. JSON name. JavaScript. Notation. Data. Action data. It is used to send data between server and client. Okay. So this is just a JavaScript object it is immediately attached to those data and parameters of level of difference can be used to most programming languages. Using JavaScript code and produces programming languages also. So, it's creating inside a parent, he's created inside a curly braces. Yeah, maybe exactly that changing person who is inside JavaScript objects data is being valued and different curly braces. This is including the square brackets.
SFL underscore toxic underscore YT. Bro me USS song ki bad car RHA hu jo tum hair background me chal raha hai.
Okay, if you want right now, that thing. That's actually from what is it called? YouTube Studio actually. That song actually from YouTube Studio. Go to audio library and select the mode hip hop and rap. This one.
SFL underscore toxic underscore
You
YT.
can get that from
Nahi bro. SFL underscore toxic underscore YT. Koi jaldi nahi hai.
Okay, if you want, then I can provide you tomorrow. I will going to upload that on my Google Drive, and I'm just going to give you the link. You're just going to download. I have that file though. I have so many files. Now that song file you download. This one. These are the all songs I'm using in my background. You can just take a screenshot or something like that. Let me zoom it. Here we go. Take a screenshot and you
SFL
can search
underscore
it on
toxic
Google.
underscore YT. Okay.
Okay.
SFL underscore toxic underscore YT. Thanks bro.
Welcome. This one. You can use the JSON. This is method. You convert the JSON string to JavaScript objects. Okay. JSON str. Let's try this. You also JSON not protected to JavaScript. What are the requirements to be numbered? Let's take a const. JSON str. Data inside the data, we can put this in and just hit on. Here we go. And let's create a set or what is called the let's create an array. Inside that array, we're going to create this one. And let's do first time. On the first name. And then Mars. Okay, okay. Let's just copy this one. And then we can see. Control. I'm just taking a random name, Ruhi. No, random title. Isn't it title then Ruhi? Ruhi not Ruhi. 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 Ruhi is it's not Ruhi. It's Ruhi. Take some iconic name. Ram. If you read a translation book, then you notice the meaning of Ram. That one. Okay, it's good. I'm thinking now. Just construct over here. JSON. JSON.parse. Okay. JSON string. Console.log and also going to select object obj dot empty env and while accessing this thing env. Let's do first. We're going to print the first one. I think this one is going to create an only program. I think it dot first. We're going to print the first one. Okay.
Neil. Hi.
Hi. How are you? How's your day going? How is your day going? I was just thinking it's not going to send me some error because of the scheme. So add the delta. What is wrong? Some index error. What is the error that is not valid JSON at JSON?
Neil. You are in school? Neil.
No.
I'm good WBU.
I'm in school. Person. I forgot some commands. No, I didn't. Oh, this thing. It's printing. Okay. The comma was the problem. Yeah, it's printing though. What happened if I print just the thing? JSON, let's just print object. Okay, I'm printing a string on the console.
Neil. You are in which year?
I'm in first year. Like recently, I just completed my first semester. Okay, it's it is. Okay, insert this. This. EMP arrays 3. There are like 3 arrays. The first one, the first name, second name, and the third name. Very well, I same thing. Okay. But why do they JSON thing?
Neil. I am in second semester LOL.
In second semester. What are you doing there? BCA, IIT, IIT or BSc? Take it's HTML script, this, okay, capitalizing S, okay, S, constant S, taking the variable S. Let's just read first of all. Let's read this code. Okay, person start document dot get element of dem origin. Okay, here can to send the data to the server, you need to
Neil. I am doing BTech in CS LOL.
Doing BTech in CSS.
SFL_toxic_YT.
What are the
LOL
questions?
Moors bro, we are also in second semester.
Yes. Which tech stack are you in the like front end, back end, which stack, AIML, some securities, internet object request taking JSON string dot but what is the use of JSON? Like it's used to the server to the client. If you want like to send data to server, you have to convert the JavaScript to JSON string using it's string value. JSON or JSON data. Okay, let's have a plan. Plan is going to print.
Neil. Did you learn DSA or you are learning development first?
No, I'm learning development first, but I'm going to start DSA. That's the thing, man. You can't balance out both things. I mean, if you are going to development, then you can do DSA at the same time. If you do DSA, then you can development. I think you can do development. Console.log. Okay, log and print from JSON string. That isn't in dot. We can print a array. I mean, let's take a bracket. No bracket. Okay, let's dot and emp. I don't know now. I should make emp. It should work. It's not working. To the syntax error. Okay. Okay, emp. Okay. because of this. Okay, because we are taking a string variable. Okay, got it. We have to use this kind of thing. Just converting into this thing are going to shift into a variable. Oh, oh, look what is happening in here. Consider dragon slash L to pose and give okay. Oh, which hashtag are you in, bro? Are you doing DSA? Job dog, job PMP one. Hmm. I was coming about this thing.
Neil.
PMP.
I would be
Not
doing
defined.
DSA LOL but can't manage it because of university exams and gate preparation LOL.
Oof. Gate preparations, man. What to do with DSC? Like, I want to take some courses or like from YouTube and documents, like how I'm doing. About the documents. Okay. It's not defined because it is a stream. Okay, then can that it's not this.
Neil.
Doesn't subject
No from YT.
mighty. Okay. Where are you from then? I'm from Odisha, India. Most of them, like, I don't prefer tutorial, but like this is, I'm just not able to understand how he's adding arrays also in here. In this case, I should use like a tutorial. That's the reason I opened this thing. Okay, output coding Java APIs. Wow. Okay, let's do this thing. Let's go to employees. Nice. Okay, server side data store as an object. Okay, data store as an object. JSA.string.API request convert the string values and sending to the front end. Okay, this thing. Yeah, we saw these things right here. I think this one. I think this. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. It's just converting into this slash things. Here is it. Client side,
Neil.
just get here, just a press.
I am from Hyderabad but staying in Chennai for my college.
Which college are you from? Chennai. Which college? Your data name Mohit is in 3. Okay. Okay, API press string press data to object, but in here it's a store as a data store as object. So why we have to just another like shift into the client side objects and what the hell? I just get it. Using version data and content. If name is equal to object of name, the place is equal to object of name. So the mark doesn't get a evolution to OPS within the kinds of the method applications of the change the design content version insert it to the first why now? You have to achieve the JSON. I like to watch
Hey,
Bro.
still thinking about joining the 30-day Python using AI bootcamp by AI for Techies? So what if in 30
What's up, everybody? So today I gotta talk about JSON files using JavaScript. JSON means JavaScript Object Notation. It's a data interchange format. Most of the time, it's used for exchanging data between a server and a web application. They can have a few different formats. Usually you'll see a JSON file as an object made up of key value pairs. Or you may see them as an array of values, or some combination of both. You can have an object where one of the values is an array, or you could have an array of objects, like this. Just to understand the format, we'll create a new JSON file. Let's go to our website folder, create a new file. We'll create an array of names. The file extension is JSON. We'll begin by writing an array with a set of straight brackets. Let's add a few names, just some first names. SpongeBob, Patrick, Squidward, Sandy. This is a valid
JSON files. This also here you can see some JSON files. Oh, I didn't know the use of JSON files. Okay, and here I need a border for keyboards. Okay, I'll just spin books. If I click to this JSON. Here you can see the JSON files. So to do that, I don't want to interpret the files because I don't know what is it. JSON.json into console.
valid JSON format. Let's create a new JSON file just for a single person. This will be an object. New file, person.json. This time, we will create a single object. This object will have key value pairs. We will have a name key and a value of SpongeBob. Each key value pair is going to be comma separated. SpongeBob will have an age key of 30. And a boolean of is employed. Is SpongeBob currently employed? That will be true. This is also a valid format. Our JSON file contains one object. An object made up of key value pairs. Objects can even have arrays as one of their values. We will create an array of hobbies. What does SpongeBob like to do? This will be an array. Jellyfishing, karate, and cooking. This array will create one object. One more JSON file. We will create a JSON file for people. This will be an array of objects. People, what key value pairs should this object have? We'll just reuse what we have for SpongeBob, excluding the array to keep it simple. Okay, that will be the first object. Let's create another object. We need another set of curly braces. The second object will have a name property of Patrick. Age, 34. Is employed will be false. The next object, this will be for Squidward. Age 50. Is employed, true. He works at the Krusty Krab. One last object. Name, Sandy. Age 27. Is employed, false. Sandy is self-employed. Alright, we have an array of objects. Each object can have its own unique key value pairs. So let's close out of these JSON files, but we'll hold on to them. So JSON formats, they're one long string to represent that object or array. Using the stringify method of JSON, we can convert a JavaScript object or an array into a JSON string. So let's copy what we have for names. I will create a constant of names equals that array. We'll convert it to a JSON string. Const JSON string equals access JSON. JSON is a built-in object that's provided to us to work with JSON files. We will use the stringify method, then pass in our array or our object. Currently, if I were to console.log my names before stringifying it, here's the result. We have an array of strings to work with. After using the stringify method on names, we'll be given one long string to represent this array. If I was to use this on an object, let's copy what we have for person long object. Currently, if I were to console.log my names before stringifying it, here's the result. We have an array of strings to work with.
Oh, which is going to give you an array of strings. Okay.
After using the stringify method on names, we'll be given one long string to represent this.
Okay. So instead of this, is going to give a single line of code instead of like the blocks of code and blocks of arrays, which is going to give a single
array.
Okay.
If I was to use this on an object, let's copy what we have for person. I will create a const of person. This will be an object. I'll just paste what I have for SpongeBob. First, let's console.log person. Here's my person object. Then let's stringify it and display the JSON string. JSON files work with one long string that represents an object or an array. Let's stringify
Okay.
our
Okay,
people.
got it.
It's an array of objects. Const people equals
The link of this. Okay. Okay, here we can see the code and
paste what we have. Let me show you what happens when I console.log people before stringifying it. We have an array of objects. Each object has its own key value pairs. Then if I was to stringify it, here's the result. One extremely long string. Now we'll use parse. Parse converts a JSON string to
let's get this much.
so
Mass
JSON
Paintable.
formats their one long string
Land
to
and
represent that.
asterisk internship.
Yeah, LA and B. Oh, one on writing isn't LA to full? It's LA and D, yeah, or LE and D. I think I'm right. If I'm wrong, could you help me? I think it's okay.
lend उधार देना
Land and I don't see land in this. Okay, my bad now. Let me fix it. Thank you for the correction. Okay. So I noticed that one thing, it is going to give us a list of arrays, and if we use this thing, it is going to simply give us a single object and a single long string. Why isn't this working? Okay, what didn't do?
Mastainable. No worries. Good luck, dude.
Thanks, man. Sure. Okay. So what did this thing do? Okay. This is going to give us a long array, and it's just hiding that in the particular parts. Oh, okay, very good. Yes. This is press method. Let's use const obj is equal to JSON Joshua string
an object or array. Using the stringify method of JSON, we can convert a JavaScript object or an array into a
stringify. Stringify obj washing is console so to create another thing, like cut those things. I don't want that because it is inside a
Khalid ibn Hossein de Arabia. Cool.
Thanks. JSON the object again. It is a object. If I print object, then it's going to give me a single string value. Okay. And if I just print, let's do that. If I like console log with it. Okay, yeah. Now it's going to give us what it's supposed to do. Like we're creating a object. Inside that object, there is a array by the name emp. It's like 3 arrays. We have 3 elements inside that. 1, 2, 3. At length of that is 3. And we use this thing which is stringify, and this is going to give us a single long string. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Let's use a JSON, I think.
to a JSON string. So let's copy what we have for names. I will create a constant of names equals that array. We'll convert it to a JSON string. Const JSON string equals access JSON. JSON is a built-in object that's provided to our object. It's an object. To convert these objects or arrays into a string, we can surround them with a pair of backticks. So let's rename these. Let's say JSON names, JSON person, then JSON people.
This isn't a warning, it's your wake-up call. These are the exact AI tools that help.
These objects and arrays are all in a JSON format. To convert them to their original form, we can use the parse method of JSON. I will create a constant of parsed data equals JSON.parse. Pass in our data of JSON names, and then let's console.log. Let me show you JSON names first before parsing it. We have a string representation of an array, but after parsing it, it becomes a JavaScript array. Let's do this with our string representation of an object, JSON person. Normally it looks like this. And then after parsing it, we have a JavaScript object. And then JSON people, it's an array of objects. Then we'll parse it, and here's the result, an array of objects. Now I'm going to show you how we can fetch a JSON file. We'll talk about fetch more in the next topic. Fetch is a function. As an argument, we can pass in a relative or absolute file path, or a URL. We'll discuss that in the next topic. Then we'll parse it, And here's the result, an array of objects. Now I'm going to show you how we can fetch a JSON file. We'll talk about fetch more in the next topic. Fetch is a function. As an argument, we can pass in a relative or absolute file path, or a URL. We'll discuss that in the next topic. I would like to get my JSON file of, let's go with person. So I will list the relative file path. These files are right next to each other. I just need to type person.json. Fetch returns a promise. We will follow this with the then method.
Okay, so for this reason, you have to create a this thing. Let's just copy this thing and create a JSON path. And so JavaScript plus data dot JSON again. I guess spelling J what and JS JSON get JSON and fill into this data. Okay, let's use just going to be simple data set. No commands, no nothing. Just this thing. Let's create not name, just class. Class is basically seven. Is my question value. Okay, let's go. Data.json now. So what are we going to do in here is fetch. F-E-T-C-H. Fetch. Is it fetch? Okay, let's go. Fetch. And the file name data about yours and data.json DAT. Okay.
Then do this. We'll be provided with a response object. Take our response.
Why we are creating a
arrow, do this. We will take our response object, convert it to a JSON format using the JSON method. Then let's display what we have currently.
We'll explain it. JSON.
Then take the value, arrow, console.log that value. Let's see what we have. Yep, there's SpongeBob.
Where's the double? Arrow. And so log and anyway value. I don't know how it's going to work. Okay, it's going to work. Class and data like arrays of 3, classes 7, inheritance the arrays. Okay, we're basically fetching the data. Okay. Okay.
We have successfully fetched a JSON file. Let's do this with our array of names. We have an array of strings of first names and people.json. We have an array of objects, one object for each person. If you would like to iterate through all the objects, let's rename value as values. We'll use the built-in for each method of arrays, values.forEach. Take each value, arrow, do this, console.log each value. Now we're iterating through and printing each object. If you would like some of the specific properties, like name, follow the value with name. SpongeBob Patrick Squidward Sandy, or age, or is employed. Oh, and another thing that I'm forgetting. Be sure to add a catch method to catch any errors, just in case we can't fetch this JSON file.
Okay. Here I was printing this in. Let's just go to another dot, then values is getting values dot array. Values arrays arrays value for each the element is different. Okay, let's give element to I think the value also in there also. Starting confusing. Yeah, then we just have to print it, right? I don't want this curly braces in the first place. I was going to like console.log and value dot is YD. I think there's a thing maybe it I can use the button. It's new. I don't know it's going to work or not. Oh, like this one. It's what is the error in 147? After argument, it is at 1. This one. What about first one? I think. Value do I have my first one, last one?
G-Dish. Hey there. How are you doing?
Yes. Say, I'm good. I'm just getting confused right now. Too much of a confusion. Where is this last one going on? Let me see the description. Is it getting people maybe? This one? Oh, off. Just getting confused. What matter? Intro. This button print the value. I can't tell it. I don't know. Go. Where do I have to go? Open live server. This inspection console and yeah, argument. Syntax missing. What is missing in the syntax? We're starting with this, ending in here. We are starting here, ending here, starting here, ending here. So what the fuck is going? Cancel this one. What? How is this guy doing?
File for some reason. Console.log or... Alright everybody, so those are JSON files. The error message. We'll talk about fetch more in the next topic. Alright everybody, so those are JSON files. JSON means JavaScript object notation. It's usually object, JSON string to an object. You can use the parse method.
Just using the convention. Just fetch, it is fetch object source. And how the isn't just fetch mode, right? Also, it is not topic of your fetch thing. If you want to fetch the data. What? It's declaring or expression no quick fix available. Alt F8. Just click it. Alt F8. Huh? Ah. Alt F8. No, it's doing nothing. Alt F8. Stream is working. I think I should take a break. Then I want to think what is going on with the code. Let's just take a 10 or 20 minutes break.
Put your loving hand out, baby, 'cause I'm begging. I'm begging,
Guys,
begging
anyone wants to play? Guys, anyone want to play chess?
now, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your loving hand out, darling. Riding high when I was king. I played it hard and fast, 'cause I had everything. I walked away, you want me then, but easy come and easy go, and it wouldn't. So anytime I I bleed, you let me go. Yeah, anytime I feel, you got me, no. Anytime I see, you let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, ra-da-da-da, cause I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in the hand now, darling. I need you to understand. Try so hard to be your man, the kind of man you want in the end. Only then can I begin to live again. An empty shell I used to be. The shadow all my life was hanging over me. A broken man that I don't know. Won't even stand, that never stands to be my soul. Why we're chilling, why we're chasing, why the bottom, why the basement, why we got good, she don't embrace it. Why the feel for the need to replace me? You're the wrong way, trying to be good. I went up in a feature town where we could be at. Like a heart in the best way, shit. You can give it away, you have, and you tend to pay. But I keep walking on, keep opening the door, keep open for that the door is yours, keep also home. Cause I don't wanna live in a broken home, girl, I'm begging. Yeah, yeah, I'm begging, begging you to put your love in the hand now, baby. I'm begging, begging you
Podcast.
to put your love in the hand now, darling. I'm finding hard to hold my own. Just can't make it
am?
all alone.
Hello, more
Hello,
I'm
Mons.
holding
Hello.
on, I
Who
can't
am I?
hold back.
Yes,
I'm
who
just
am
a call, not your face of black. I'm
Huh?
begging, begging
Going to
you.
play chess match?
Put your love in hand
Wanna
out,
play a
baby.
chess match, bro?
I'm begging, begging you to put your love in hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you to put your love in hand out, baby.
Bro, wanna play a chess match?
Begging you to put your love in hand out, darling. I'm begging, begging you
Who am?
to put your
I'm
love in
friend.
hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you to put your love in hand out.
Hmm. I have a friend. Okay, what is his name though? I have a friend. Okay, you are a friend. That's great. That's nice. What is his name? Where is my chat? I'm here. Kasik. His name is Kasik. I don't know, man. Sorry, I'm just terrible at remembering the people's name. Kasik. I know Kasik. Kasik. Just play another song.
Who am? Jonas.
Jonas, yo, how are you? You change your name?
Who am?
How are you?
Insta.
Insta. Yeah, I know. Jonas. Okay, how could I do know? You are my kind of first watcher, viewer on my last trip of streams. I remember you. I cannot forget you. How are you? How's it going, by the way? Let's
One of
play
my favorite ways to cut
activities.
down on study time is to use AI tools. This is where Grammarly can help. Just open up.
How are you, dude?
पीछे पीछे खड़ी है
Who
चश्मिश
am?
लग सकती नक चढ़ी है हुडी
I have
इसकी दो
exams
साइजेस
during
बड़ी है
Ramadan.
मुझे मालूम मुझसे चोरी की है दुनिया से थोड़ी खफा है कोई 2 दिन का नी
Ah.
मामला है बुनियादी कांटा कोई फंसा है मैं बिछा दूं माला फूलों की तेरे कदम
Happy Ramzan, by the way. Happy Ramzan or something. Yeah. Happy Ramzan. Happy Ramzan. Are you doing fasting? Like, you can't eat during the sunlight, I mean, if I'm not wrong.
तू मेरा मनाली मैं फंस गया काले जादू में लगता तू निकला कोई बंगाली फंसा मैं जबकि लगता था फसाली हो शिकार जो कैसा वो शिकारी
Who am? Your mic is low sound and music loud sound.
I don't know how, I don't know why. I just witnessed divine feminine. Ek kodi jida naam.
Because I did that setting, bro. Yes! It's first semester, by the way, now. What about your coding? I mean, last time we talked, you said that you are taking a break from coding. What is happening now? Are you still into coding? Stuff like that. Mm. Hello, hello. Says response. By the way, right now I'm learning backend. I mean, I switched to backend, but I'm going to eventually learn AIML. When just hiding.
Who am?
Nowadays.
Nowadays I just want to pass and move to next semester.
This semester. This semester. Is it third or fourth if I'm not wrong? All the best, man, for your exams. I think you're in 12. Don't tell me it's right. Just don't. Okay, let's just skip this. Okay, so
Who
to
am?
remind today's goals.
I'm first
First,
semester.
okay. Hmm. Last time we talked, I think you're in 12th. You
Who
just
am?
recently completed 12th.
Do you know calculus?
Calculus. Calculus? No, I don't know. Calculus in the what, like the calculator, calculus. Calculus, here you can see the calculus. This is writing. It's calculus, okay. Oh, it's a graph, I mean. Okay, calculus, F, oh my god. Okay, it is a arithmetic, but it is batch of mathematicals of the other that come in calculus is a mathematical study of continuous symmetry in the same way that geometry is a study of shapes in the study symmetry for I think I used this into my that project, which is a rotating donut. Like once I said that I'm building a rotating donut, I think there I use this calculus.
Who am?
I don't know. I think I use this.
IWA studying and saw you so came Tosa Ihai.
I was studying and saw you came to say hello. That's the one. Just came when we just feel depressed because I'm also depressed now right now. Okay, so like look, Yunus, I mean, I built my first week. I'm learning JS by the way right now because I wanted to go backend. I mean, basically I'm going to learn the like gain some experience. For experience, I'm going to learn. I'm learning backend. I'm going to switch to AIML. AIML is best. So yeah, my today's goals are by the way learn objective and JSON. I mean, I learned the both things, and now I have a task to do. Just create a nested object using with addresses. Okay, username and addresses, and then you have to do this use JSON and string
Who am?
formatting and pass. Okay.
Wow, you have gone far.
Yeah, man. I would recommend you also.
Who am?
Mm,
Mahsala.
Ma Marcel, actually, okay, Marcel. Thanks, man. But it's not that much. I mean, if you want to join my journey, then please come, bro. I would love to.
Who am? You will become a good developer.
It's long way to go, man. It's long way to go. No, nothing in front of the pile of things that I'm going to do. Okay, let's just solve this problem. I mean, so basically, it's just saying we have to create a nested object. Nest object. I mean, nested object. So how we can create a nested object? Let's create a const. Suppose you is nst const name obj. We're going to create an object. So like this. For it equal to this object, and let's just first of all username and name the moss. Let's set two things. First name 1st. Let's give this a first name, and I can just simply copy this thing.
Good luck to you. I'm going study.
I'm going. Okay, man. Best of luck to you for your future. If you need any help, then you can know who to ask. You can ask me for any help. And if you want some. Last name, which is rookie, and we have to store addresses inside that. Let's create another. We will insert this a dd addresses, and we're going to create a array inside this. An array we're going to say is basically let's just do this an array, and from you can say like we can set insert this also variables or just set variables. So India India ODISH Odisha Odisha, and there's my village name is Komna. So I'm not going to tell you the district. Oh, I am. I should tell you the district name also. Or fuck. Komna. Okay, that's good. All set. Okay. So now what I have to do is basically Josh.string. Let's create another constant console constant const is equal to string. String is equal to JSON.string f, and then we are going to put our object inside this obj, and this is it, the whole thing. Then we just have to print it and console log log and print str string. Okay, what is wrong now? Okay, let's first of all print this thing, I guess. Console.log and obj. Let's first of all print. Yeah, okay. If I print obj, then it's just printing perfectly. It's using arrays, values. Okay. So what is wrong with this? Ah, spelling typo. Fuck this typo, yaar. I was scared for a moment. But I didn't want to learn. Okay, it's solved. Nothing much interesting. Nothing good to mind. Okay, so let's just do it's done. Do any it's done. The last thing it's basically yeah. Okay, then we just have to acknowledge that const.object and then like create another const and I think we have to do press and press is equal to what is wrong, man? Another typo. What the hell is this happening? I'm just doing typo. No typo. I think you're watching a stream. Okay. Okay. House variable then JSON.parse store. Let's just store our object. I think inside this we need to say object. Not object, string. I mean, string. String this and just like console log console.log console.log and okay, yes, here we go. And it's printing nothing. I think okay, it's printing. So this thing is also done. So what I was trying to do is basically we have to create this as a string format. I was trying to convert this into string format, a single line of string, and I successfully converted to the string format. Then I just return that into press. I mean, otherwise this thing, I mean, just going to show me some like blocks of the fact this thing is going to just divide all those things, including this thing. Yeah. It's down like this one, this is going to be the one of the smallest stream I have ever done. Oh. So this is for the today's stream. I hope you guys are like this stream, like my old friends said too. Bye. Peace out. I don't have anything to do right now. I'm just going to sleep. Okay. Bye. Good night.